Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic why do phorid flies kill fire ants. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail. So let's start the video. Phorid flies can kill fire ants as their parasitic species belonging to the genus Pseudacteon lay their eggs directly on the bodies of fire ants or close to their colonies. Also, they inject eggs into the thorax region, which grows into larvae and reaches the head region. This larva decapitate the worker fire ants and pupate in their head. After that, the pupae feed on the dead ant and grow into adult flies. They are considered an effective biocontrol agent against the invasive population of these damaging ants. They can help reduce the pest population to a great extent, but their effectiveness also relies on environmental conditions. Phorid flies are parasitic organisms that look for a suitable host organisms to lay their eggs because they get nutrition from the host, which leads to their death. A few of them search for fire ants, as they only lay eggs on this species and reach their colonies when their nests are disturbed. They detect randomly moving fire ants in the environment when they feel the threat and release alarm pheromones to make their fellows alert about the possible danger. The phorid flies detect these alarm pheromones due to their strong sense of smell and reach their swarms to lay eggs on their tiny bodies or inject them into the body. These flies also get attracted to long foraging trails because they can detect pheromone secretions released by the foragers to make a trail. So they approach fire ants and target their bodies due to their parasitic nature, as they need a host to survive and get nutrition from their bodies. The larvae cannot develop into adults if the eggs are not on the suitable host. In addition, the reason for attacking and killing are trial pheromones and the need for a host. The phorid flies are efficient parasitic organisms known as ant decapitator flies for their killing behavior, as they target brain tissues and remove their heads to kill them. This killing behavior starts with the egg laying process by phorid flies when these tiny insects look for disturbed fire ant mounds and foraging trails in their surroundings. The disturbed mounds and trails have a large number of ants and increase the likelihood of attacks due to easier identification. They produce eggs close to their mounds so that they get adhered to randomly moving ants and find their way to the head after penetration. In addition, some of these female flies also lay eggs directly on the host body that will hatch into larvae by entering their bodies. One of the common mechanisms of parasitic species is to inject the larva through a fine tube at the abdominal end. They sit on the thorax and inject eggs into the region between their legs. The eggs complete their early developmental stage in the thorax region and hatch into larvae. During development, they feed on body fluids and get nutrition from the fire ants. The larvae also consume non-essential tissues and weaken their host slowly. An erratic behavior is observed in ants when infected with the phorid fly larva. In addition, the infected ant leaves the colony and moves away from the nest due to disruption in brain functioning. Thanks for watching the video.